a second. It just fucking and backfires. What was that? That's amazing.
What's up, Roy? What's up, buddy? How you doing, man? Ooh, my baby. My baby.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I found out that I actually have a massive boost leak on my WRX. We're gonna go ahead and go through and find that boost leak and fix it. And hopefully after that, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the blow-off valve to see if this car can make some crazy fluttering blow-off sounds. So I've been looking at the engine for about 5 minutes and I already found the boost leak. It looks like the hose that connects the intercooler to the throttle body came loose. It kind of slipped out. So hopefully we can get that permanently fixed. I heard those rubber pieces that go underneath the clamp tend to cause problems such as this. It kind of doesn't really secure the hose onto the intercooler, so I might just go ahead and completely eliminate it. So this right here, guys, is the rubber piece that I'm telling you guys about. For some reason, I guess the hose is kind of supposed to slip in between this, which doesn't really work. To kind of make things easier, I'm just gonna go ahead and completely take it off because it's causing a lot of problems. And we're all set, guys. Got the boost leak figured out. And I went ahead and left the blow-off valve disconnected because I'm not really going to use it. So now it's time to actually reset the ECU because I'm pretty sure the ECU learned all of the bad behaviors coming from the engine, like the boost leak, for example. Bye, babe. So resetting the ECU is probably going to be a good idea. That way it has a fresh start with no boost leak. So let's see how this turns out. Ooh, the access port boot up with the white Subaru. By the way, that was my car at Block's Evo 3. That shit was lit. To reset my ECU, I'm pretty much gonna have to go to the main menu. Gonna go down to tune, and then we're gonna go down to JK, wrong spot. I think it's gonna be troubleshooting. So now we're gonna go to reset ECU. So reset learning and clear codes from ECU. Boom. If you guys don't have a Cobb access port yet and you have a Subaru, I would say I highly recommend it if you're trying to go for some like light power gains. And even if you're trying to get like massive power gains, it's going to be great for pro tunes and whatnot. You can save all your tunes. ECU reset successful. Sick. So I'm pretty sure it's been 15 seconds already. Let's go ahead and start her up. Woo! What a crank. Sheesh. Dude, the engine already sounds better. Like before I could kind of hear like a little like hissing sound, probably from that boost leak. Now it just sounds a little bit better. That right there is super strange. It's idling at 15 right now, which I don't think is a good thing. It's kind of scaring me, but oh well. Whatever, I'm just gonna go for a quick little cruise to see how it behaves. I'm not gonna go too hard on it. Maybe do like one pull and definitely keep an eye on the AFRs and see what happens. Oh my gosh, guys, you're not even gonna believe how this sounds, dude. It sounds so sick. So first off, my car is pulling way faster now. It's so fast. Like the torque is there. Like I thought I lost a lot of torque being rear-wheel drive. Fuck no, dude. I have so much torque now. Like and it was because I had a boost leak this whole time. And not only that, that compressor surge sounds lit. It's not as crazy as I'd hoped, but it's just enough to make me shit my pants. I gotta let you guys hear how it sounds. I gotta wait for the homies to get back though, because they're eating right now, and then I'll be able to show you guys how this turbo sounds. It sounds so good.
All right, let me hear it. I haven't heard it yet, so.
All right, bro, let's hear it.
Dude, that sounds sick!
It sounds
what the
fucking
fuck?
crazy.
Dude, I did not expect it to sound like that.
Dude, it sounds pretty sick, bro. Wait till I hit like 3rd gear boost, like over there.
Oh my god. So I was expecting more of like a flutter like my S13. My S13 has a really nice flutter, but this one has a really different nice flutter.
Yeah, it
sounds good.
I never heard it.
It sounds like a fucking Pokemon or some shit.
Yeah, like. It's hella cool. Like that's
I can hear it.
Barely anything.
Yeah, that's barely anything.
And you hear like hella spool, dude.
Put it back in a second. Yeah, just fucking. And backfires. What was that? That sounds sick.
That's trippy, bro. I was like, what the fuck?
Whoa! That sounds like a fucking Pokemon or some shit.
Dude, right? Do you feel the torque is back?
No, it definitely feels a lot faster than before.
Yeah, dude. That boost leak really fucked me up, dude.
Dude, so you had a boost leak this whole time. What the fuck?
Hella.
Dude, that doesn't sound like a, dude, that just sounds crazy. It sounds like a fucking supercar flutter. I've never heard a Subaru flutter. I don't know why.
Yeah, me neither.
That's insane.
It's
scare this horse right now. Oh!
He's like, did another horse sneeze just now? That's what he
It sounds like a alien or something. Sick! What the fuck?
I know, it's not as loud as the HKS, because the HKS is like pretty loud, but it sounds way cool. Like you just hear like the fucking
Nah, I like the flutter a lot better.
Way better, right? And like I feel my throttle control, like my throttle response is like fucking there, because the air is like all inside the intercooler.
We definitely need to do a pull again.
Yeah.
Like now it's gonna be even better. Fucking oh my god, we're scraping, bro. Alright, I'm gonna ask for your subscribers right now, because a lot of these guys probably are gonna ask this.
Yeah.
I know when you go when you pull out the blow off valve and you go all flutter, right? Oh, watch out for this dip. Oh,
scrape life.
Well, I know that it shortens the life of the turbo. Are you ready for that, or are you aware of that, or what are your thoughts on that?
So my thoughts on that is, yes, that is true. It probably will affect the lifespan of the turbo, but I'm probably gonna look into upgrading my turbo later on anyways. And I'm probably gonna surge that turbo too. Fuck it, dude. It's gonna sound so
yeah, dude, I've been driving my S13 with no blow-off valve, and it's fine. It's been running fine. I'm well aware that the turbo life is, you know, probably gonna be shortened, but I don't really give a shit. It actually sounds really good.
Yeah.
And being YouTubers, when we blow something or mess something up, we can make a video on it.
Exactly.
And that just means more content for you guys.
Yeah, and you guys learn from it too. You guys learn from our mistakes, and you know, we'll come up with solutions.
Another good thing, my god, that sounds good. Another good thing is when you're doing it, if it never blows, it just shows that you can run it without a blow-off valve.
Yeah, dude, and a lot of people do it. And let me ask you this, right? Do you regret going surge, full surge?
No, I don't. Originally, I was supposed to go HKS blow-off valve too, but I bought the motor and it didn't have a blow-off valve, so I stuck with it, and I love how it sounds.
So good. Oh my gosh. Also guys, goes to show, rear wheel drive didn't really affect the torque at all.
Yeah.
Because now I feel the same torque. You can hear it pretty loud, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. They're gonna be able to hear it for sure.
Oh my gosh, dude, I fucking love it, dude.
Dude, this thing sounds so good. I'm gonna drive the S13 around now. I love it. Oh, but there's a curve right there. this shit.
I love it too, bro. Dude, I can't wait to get the STI rear end, and then all you like, dude, we'll all get to drift this car and feel like how a rear-wheel drive Subaru feels like. I want to hear all the homies, you, Randy, like, Sonny, all you guys, like,
me, Randy.
I want to hear all your guys' opinion on like this whole conversion, whether or not like you guys like it as, you know, a drivable car.
I think it is sick. The cool thing about it, I'm gonna give you my opinion right now. Honestly, I think a rear-wheel drive Subaru is the coolest thing to do because there's not a lot of YouTubers doing it right now.
Absolutely not.
And you are probably one of the first that I know to like document it and, you know, see how it drives, see the problems, right? Your axle broke, so that means you definitely need a new fucking STI diff, right? And I'm learning as he's doing it because he's telling me as he goes, of course.
Exactly.
But I'm actually going from an all-wheel drive to a rear-wheel drive. I didn't know the whole process. And just watching you do it, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Pretty straightforward. I feel like any of us could have done it, to be honest. So we just needed to know what to do.
Yeah.
So.
And I honestly think if I were to get a Subaru, I would try to do the rear-wheel drive.
Hell yeah, dude.
But
so cool.
I'm a Nissan boy. Oh my God, I got so dark. Whoa. Oh yeah, but being a Nissan boy, I don't have to spend any money going rear-wheel drive. It's already rear-wheel drive. So
drive all day, baby.
I don't know if I'm ever gonna get a Subaru, to be honest. I want to start doing like all the JDM legendary cars.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean?
I feel you on that.
Stay
all the JDM Legends are sick cars. I hope you guys enjoyed those compressor surge sounds out of the Subaru. That's enough car related stuff for the day. I've been kind of doing a lot of car stuff lately, so me and Randy are gonna go hit the skate park.
That's me.
Yee, we taking the S13.
Yeah.
And we're here, Red Park.
Christian's driving the S13.
What's up, what's up? Didn't get any tray flips or skate tricks for you guys, but I'm driving Randy's car now.
Why does my car look cleaner on camera?
In case you guys didn't know, Randy's car fucking handles.
Let him hear the boost.
Yeah.
It sucks that my RPMs don't work because you don't know when to shift.
Oh, you just hear it? You can kind of hear it, right?
Yeah. Welcome to the fluttering gang.
I know, I'm part of the gang now, dude. Flutter butter.
Dude, I feel like a lot of people on your channel will prefer one flutter over the other.
Yeah.
Which one do you guys prefer? Christian's flutter or my flutter?
I'll leave a comment on this again. I think your flutter's better.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
I don't know. I think the characteristics in the flutter though is different, so I like it. It's like I like how loud mine is and how mine just like you know, it's like when you're barely on the throttle, it'll flutter. But yours has a different sound. It sounds like an alien. It sounds so new.
It sounds new a lot.
Yeah.
Honestly, I just wish it was louder. That's
And it was different. I think if yours was louder, it would definitely beat mine. That's what I think.
Yeah,
That's what I
maybe.
think. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let us know. We want to know.
I think if I get like a different intercooler piping, I think it'll work.
You think so?
I think so, because I think I have plastic. I think plastic insulates sound more than metal. Metal just like, I feel like it'll just like spread it out even more, you know what I mean? Like you have full on metal intercooler piping, that's why it's like, it dumps. Because I think I push more boost than you.
Oh, in your Subi, right?
Yeah, like 18, 19 pounds.
Yeah,
You're
you
pushing
definitely.
like 15?
Yeah, you definitely push more. I think I'm pushing 14 to 16 somewhere.
Pretty close still. It's still pretty close.
Ooh. Let this guy hear your boost. Oh, he definitely heard it.
Oh yeah, definitely. Orale, wey.
All right, guys, tell Christian to stop. Only I got this.
I know, for real.
Only I got this.
Orale, wey.
Biche chinito, cállate, güey. He doesn't even know what I said.
Pinche pendejo, wey.
¿Qué haces, puto? ¿Quieres mi pito en tu boca?
Damn.
Damn.
What's up? What's up, guys? All my homies think I won't end this vlog right now. I'm about to end this vlog. The fuck? Watch me end this vlog right now, fool. I'm ending this vlog right now. God damn it, dude. My friends were right. I couldn't end the vlog because my battery just fucking died. RIP.
Christian won't end the vlog because you guys need to subscribe right now. Later!
That's a good one.
Like, comment, subscribe right now. Do it, pussy. Oh yeah, and don't forget